earlier question, not leveraging tag managers, we have Amplitude installed via GTM. Okay, so the reason why we don't recommend using Google Tag Manager, and frankly, you will not find any vendor in the business that does it differently. Every single vendor recommends not using Google Tag Manager. It's because of how the script loads and how quickly it loads. Because ideally what you want to do is if someone's seeing a variant, you want them bucketed into that variant quickly, and you can get like a little flicker on the page. You want to minimize that as much as possible. And because of Google Tag Manager, that can lead to that script being loaded with some delay. And so that's why we recommend not doing that. That can also cause things like people being variant jumpers or having some SRM issues because of the delay in exposing them. They saw the control when they should be seeing the variant and the amount of latency involved. So that's why we recommend not using Google Tag Manager. And that's just kind of like an industry best practice.